need to connect to a remote MCP server while keeping the same local interface you're already using. We'll create a transparent FastMCP proxy that wraps any MCP server endpoint, letting you interact with remote servers as if they were local. The pattern uses FastMCP as proxy to maintain full API compatibility while handling the transport details automatically. From FastMCP, import FastMCP, client. Backend equals client, http://example, com/mcp/ssc. Proxy equals FastMCP, as proxy backend, name equals proxy server. Hash now use the proxy, like any FastMCP server. This demonstrates the proxy pattern using FastMCP's as proxy method, creating a transparent bridge between clients and remote MCP servers. The technique lets you expose any MCP-compatible backend through a new FastMCP interface while maintaining full API compatibility, effectively decoupling client interactions from the server's physical location or transport protocol. The pattern works by wrapping an existing MCP client connection in a new FastMCP server instance that automatically forwards all operations. The proxy handles protocol translation, like converting between SSC and HTTP transports, while preserving all MCP features including tool execution, progress reporting, and metadata handling. Each client request spawns an isolated session, ensuring thread safety and proper state management. This approach enables transport compatibility and progressive infrastructure changes without client-side modifications. You can consolidate multiple backends, expose remote servers locally for debugging, or migrate between protocols while maintaining the same client interface. The proxy integrates seamlessly with FastMCP's composition system, allowing you to mount or combine it with other servers as needed. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP, client. This imports FastMCP for creating MCP-compatible tools and client for establishing server connections. FastMCP handles AI-callable tool registration, while client manages the low-level transport protocol, enabling the proxy pattern shown in the next lines. These are the core components for building distributed MCP services with transport independence. Backend equals client, http://example, com/mcp/ssc. This creates a FastMCP proxy server using as proxy, wrapping the SSE backend connection. The proxy maintains full API compatibility with native FastMCP servers while handling transport protocol translation, here converting SSE to FastMCP's standard protocol. The name parameter identifies this proxy instance, enabling composition with other FastMCP servers through mounting or importing. All core MCP features like sampling and progress reporting remain intact through the proxy layer. Proxy equals FastMCP, as proxy backend, name equals proxy server. This creates a FastMCP proxy server using as proxy, which transparently forwards all MCP requests to the SSE backend at http://example, com/mcp/ssc. The proxy maintains full MCP protocol compatibility, including sampling, progress reporting, and tool execution, while handling transport translation between local clients and the remote SSE endpoint. The name parameter identifies this proxy in logs and enables composition with other FastMCP servers via mounting or importing. Hash now use the proxy, like any FastMCP server. The asProxy method creates a transparent FastMCP server that forwards all operations to the specified backend. This maintains full API compatibility while enabling transport translation, like converting HTTP requests to the backend's SSE protocol, without client-side changes. The proxy preserves all FastMCP features, sampling, progress reporting, and can be composed with other servers via mounting. You'd typically call proxy.run to start it, though this snippet focuses on setup. FastMCP proxy composition. The FastMCP as proxy method transforms any FastMCP client into a local server proxy, enabling transparent forwarding to remote backends while preserving full MCP protocol compatibility. Proxies automatically bridge transports like SSE to HTTP and can be mounted alongside other FastMCP servers as if they were local components. This pattern eliminates transport coupling while maintaining all advanced features like sampling, logging, and progress notifications.
The server that is not a server connects everything.